I'm fixing to put up my Valentine stuff. And I got to use this bin because I put my regular decor in it. And this is what my Valentine stuff usually goes in. As you can see, I still have some Valentine stuff in here. But I got to take out my regular decor so I can put it back. This is my little candy dish. I love this little crystal candy dish. Put that back out. And here's my beautiful plate that I don't want nothing to ever happen to. I always keep that out. And I got a couple of my photos in here. A couple of the kids and me and Chris. And oh, here's some more. I love these little round ones. I got those at the Dollar Tree. And then I still got this little frame here. I haven't put a picture in yet. I got it. And then I got my pillows in here that I normally keep on my couch. Chunk one over there. Sorry, Molly. Molly's over there asleep. And this is my truck. I don't want to break this. I love this truck with the roses. This goes in my kitchen. And here's, she's like, what's going on, little birdie? It'll be springtime soon, so I want to get my decor. Most of my stuff looks springy anyway because of my colors that I choose to have in here. And here's my other pillow. See, that looks very springy with flowers. This is some stuff that I didn't use Valentine's wise. So we're going to put all our Valentine stuff in here, and then I'm going to put my regular decor back up. So over here on my shelf, I still got Valentine stuff. I got to take it down and put my regular stuff back up. So I'm going to do that now. Let's see, I'm going to cover that up so it don't get scratched up. I do like to use these to help like wrap stuff up. And I got some like Walmart bags in here to wrap stuff up if I want. And I got this little Valentine pillow, which I probably need to wash. It's got some cat hair on it, so I'll wash that. And I will wash this Valentine throw. And can y'all see that? My best friend Jennifer made me this throw. And it's got hearts on it, just because she loves me, so she put hearts on it. She made my husband a green one, because he likes green. And she made me the burgundy, because I like burgundy. And I love that throw. And even though it's got holes in it, because of the way it's made, it will keep you pretty warm, because it is a little bit heavy. So I've been keeping that on my couch, just because I love it. And it makes me think of her. She moved away back to her hometown in Pennsylvania, so I don't ever get to see her. But I just wanted to show you that. It's so pretty. She's very talented. I'll fill this up with my Valentine's decor, because Valentine's is over, right? Got lots of Valentine's decor. Over there. This is my little candy jar that I made. Filled that up with candy a couple years ago. I showed y'all most of this in my Valentine's decor video. Let's see, I got love up here. And I'm going to take all these candles down. I got to try to remember that I got these red candles in my Valentine's stuff, because sometimes I use them for Christmas. kind of want to put them in bags because they melt a little bit. They won't get all over my other stuff. But they will stick together, kind of stick together. I don't want them sticking all over my other stuff. Okay. Now, I'm going to kind of sit you over here so you can see this shelf, because this is the one I'm clearing off now. So, flower. Not flowers. This little cat. Broke. Okay. Okay, I wanted to show you something my husband got for Christmas. Now, we didn't get our Christmas from the kids till February, I think it was, because they didn't come down for Christmas. We didn't see them for Christmas, and then my husband's other son brought it over one day when he came. A man at their church makes wood stuff. They bought this from him at their little church thing. They were having something, and he sells his wood pieces. Isn't that cute? Little wood fish, because my husband likes fishing. That's cute. I'm going to try to work it in my decor somewhere. I love the piece, and it's so pretty. And I'm going to try to work it in somewhere. We shall see. Well, I think I got all my Valentine stuff, because I normally use all of this stuff here. I normally use this in my decor. I like my decor is kind of, you know, pinks and teals and just girly colors. My husband don't mind it at all. He don't care. And just different pieces that I found, you know, at thrift stores and stuff. So it already looks springy, so that's a good thing. I just got to add a few pieces back. Taking this off my door. I need to wrap this up. Let's see, a little dirty. Over here, I just gotta take this little truck and this little bit of stuff here. I gotta take it. And then my little coffee cup, and this thing over here. I'll be done with all of that. Some mug and straws. My little tea towels. And I got a little heart here. I gotta wash it off and put it up. And then I got some stuff in this here. I gotta take that out, put it in a bag or something. I'll do that in just a minute after I wash this plate. I'm gonna get a zip bag. Okay. Oh, I got too many. Too many. Oh. This is my tea towels that I normally keep out. Cook your heart out, and it does have a heart on it, but it's Pioneer Woman colors, and I usually keep this out on my little ladder here. So I've already washed these and had them ready. so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my towel rack. One, I got it right here in front of me. I just kind of put one on here, and then I'll hang this one over the other one, like so. And just let it, I'm gonna let it hang a little bit longer. I like for it to come close, but I like for this to show out the bottom a little bit like that. And that's what I do, because I like the towel behind it just to give it a little bit more color, something a little different. Just something like that. And I'll stick it back over there. Now, what I'm going to do with this is it's got, I had to take this up early because my little cat got a hold of it and untied my ribbon a little bit. So I took it up so she wouldn't be tempted by it. I'm going to keep these little pieces because I can use these in something else. I'm not going to put them in my Valentine decor because I may use them in something in here for the spring decor. So I'm just going to stick them all in this bag right now and put them up with my other flowers. That way I have them in case I want them. They're not in my building out there, you know, tucked away right now. Honestly, I can't even remember what I had in this. I had this on my table, but I got to remember what I had in this, or I'll have to put something new in it. Don't know yet. Okay, I'm going to put this in my flower stuff. I'm going to put my candle that Abigail got me. I'm going to put it up so I can burn it next year, what I got left of it. I did burn quite a bit of it. It smells so good. I'm going to stick it in there in my candle stash and just save that for Valentine's Day next year. And then this is all of my decor put up. I just got to put the lid on it and go put it in my building now. That didn't take long. I didn't have a whole lot, so that's a good thing. Okay guys, I just realized while editing this that I did not do a outro, so here we go. I thought I'd just do a quick voiceover and tell you I appreciate you so much for watching and hanging out with me while I undecorate for my Valentine's decor. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be me showing you putting out my Easter decor. So anyway, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to, if you're not already. And don't forget to hit that like button, that hype button, whatever you can do to push me out there in the internet world. I greatly appreciate it. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye.